Namaste friends, I am Ritesh and today we are learning revolved head to knee pose, also known as Parivritta. Parivritta means revolved or twisted Janu Sirshasana. Friends, a twisting variation of Janu Sirshasana, that is head to knee pose, takes the classical forward bend to the next level. So friends, it's an intermediate level seated twisting pose. And also, you have to be very careful that if you have a diarrhea or any strain on your spine, or any injury on the spine, especially the shoulder or the hamstring tear, please avoid it. Just be careful or practice under a medical supervision or experienced yoga teacher. Friends, let us get into the practice. And before you get into the practice, you need to warm up yourself or prepare yourself to get into a revolved head to knee pose. So friends, a posture such as standing forward bend, that is Uttanasana, or something where you are slowly and steadily stretching the inner thighs. So a standing wide leg forward bend would be great to enter into a revolved head to knee pose. So if you start any posture, we always start with a Tadasana. So here, because we are seated, we start with Dandasana. So a standing posture starts with Tadasana, a seated posture starts with Dandasana. So once again, I activate my arches and I see that I'm feeling tallness, my back is straight, my shoulders are down, and now from here, I widen the legs out. Now widening the leg depends upon your capacity. So friends, don't force yourself. I just place my arms and I create more space here. Once again, I tall myself. Now, those of you who are quite flexible, they can take your legs too wide apart. So, I can still try. Okay, that's my limit here and I stop here, right? It's important that you're relaxed while doing the pose. So don't forget to smile and do it very slowly and gently. So I tall myself, my neck is long, my shoulders are down, so I am not squeezing my shoulders to the neck. My shoulders are down, my chin is parallel, my core is engaged. Now from here, I activate my arches, okay? Tall, from here, lift the arms up and lengthen, hold my big toe. And now from here, I lift the right arm, lengthen it, and I can go to the sides. Slowly and gently, breathing. My neck and shoulders are relaxed. Now remember friends, I'm not squeezing my shoulder to the neck. Keep it spaced out. Take it, go down slowly and gently. Breathe, maintain that posture. Breathe. My shoulders are still down, okay? And now from here, try to open the chest. Now you can hold this pose. You can take the vision towards the ceiling if you don't have any issues on the neck, or especially in the cervical spine. And if you have, then instead of watching towards the ceiling, you can watch in front. Okay? So maintain that position. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, while you're doing that stretch, don't forget to press the right hip on the floor. Otherwise, what will happen is this starts lifting it up. So keep pressing the right hip, especially the right bone down, and then you just enjoy the stretch. And breathe. Open the chest. Enjoy your breathing, enjoy the pose. Activate the right feet also. So your activation, your whole awareness should be on the right feet also. Inhale, come up. So when you exhale, you go down. When you inhale, you come up. So inhale, lengthen, come up. Exhale, relax. So friends, that was doing it on the left hand side. Okay, don't forget to do it on the right hand side also. So friends, this posture is great for backache, but remember, slowly and steadily. Also, if you have fatigue, headache and insomnia, it's wonderful. Also, it stretches the lateral part of your spine. So it's working on your internal and external obliques, shoulders and hamstrings. Also, it stimulates your abdominal organs such as liver and kidneys. It improves your digestion. Friends, that was revolved head to knee pose of Parivritta Janu Sirsasana. I'm Ritesh here. In case you like my video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe. And yes, if you have any comments or suggestions, please mention in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Namaste.